Hello everybody, welcome back to Backcountry Cooking with Patrick and Bucket, where today we are going to show you how to make bread, which is something that I am historically not that great at, but we're going to see if we can get better. Let's get that bread. Hi everybody, thank you for watching this video. We really do appreciate it. We would appreciate it even more if you continue to participate in Outdoor Adventures theme weeks. Those are going to be coming out each Monday and you can participate in them throughout the week. This recipe, I highly recommend that you try it out. You can put anything in here that you want. You can put in like cheese and herbs or cranberries or spice this up however you want. This is just the basic way that we do it on our outdoor adventure trips, which I highly recommend that you come on when we're allowed to stop social distancing. The best part about this though is that in small quantities you can feed this to dogs. So